Processory! Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how your favorite potato chips are made, from whole potatoes to perfectly crispy snacks.
Advanced optical sorters utilize laser-guided technology to scan every potato. Air jets swiftly remove any
Welcome to the facility. I'm Maria, and I'll be your guide through our quality control process today.
Every day, we turn thousands of raw potatoes into millions of perfect chips. I'm Maria, and today, I'm taking... We cut the potato lengthwise to inspect the internal quality, checking for sugar levels and defects before processing.
It starts with the right potato, high starch, low sugar. Every delivery is logged and sampled.
It starts with the right potato, high starch, low sugar. Every delivery is logged and sampled.
Perfection is non-negotiable. Even one blemish can affect the final chip.
Blade sharpness is measured in microns. A dull blade makes a greasy chip. Blanching sets the color and removes excess sugars that cause uneven browning.
The oil is a precise blend, maintained at 180 degrees Celsius. Time inside is controlled to the second.
As the chips pass through the scanner, any foreign material is instantly detected and highlighted for removal. High-speed cameras blink as they analyze each chip's color. Air jets puff to remove any too dark or too light.
Weight check initiated. Weight data logged successfully.
My job is to be the final human sensor. The snap, the flavor, the mouthfeel, it all has to be perfect.
A quick hiss of inert nitrogen gas flushes out oxygen to preserve crispness.
And just like that, the journey from field to front door is almost complete.
Want some?
These are so good!
Cheers to the weekend!
They said it couldn't be done. But here is the proof. The perfect chip.
It looks simple, but behind this one chip is farming, engineering, food science, and a team to quality. Our process begins years before the truck arrives, with selecting the perfect genetic variety for flavor and texture.
The specific gravity test measures starch density. Here, potatoes are suspended in a saline solution to determine their density levels.
This spike here indicates the increased load from the downtech cleanup. We managed to clear 80%.
Understood.
The robotic arm on line 3 is showing a pressure fault.
I'm accessing the diagnostic panel now.
Die Ota e abadesi akchitne ke sasa bhaap ka moshti blate hain. Jano ko astolthwa ke sate hain.
It's a simple pleasure built on a universe of complexity. A testament to what we can achieve when
Sandhadi hain. Dasteta sabra ke aat me amkhne. Erli se ardina adu macha chita the ke tak kis